I'm going to click on the pages, open the home page to edit. So click on the edit button, edit with Elementor. Click on the settings, select Elementor full width as a page layout. Click on the update, click on the add new section, select this structure, add text and add image here. So I'm going to add image right here, image, and add title here, also another title, drag and drop button, make all the element on center of this column. So click on this icon, then select vertical align middle, and now I'm going to add text, copy, okay, add this image, text color, change font size, change color, also change the button color, change background color, change text, click on the update. Okay, we have done in the first section.